Hi everyone, my name is Shawna Fae and I'm here with Just Paint, and I'm super excited to show you guys this brand new product that just came out today, September 1st. I have here the new Nat's Gold Range palette from Fusion Body Art. These beautiful colors are also available in 30-gram single split cakes as well. You can find all of these products at Just Paint. There's a link in the description down below.
I'd like to talk a little bit about a few techniques that this palette can be used for. The first technique is sponge-free painting. So each cake has a strip of metallic gold on one edge, and metallic colors are easily blendable. So you can blend your base out from the edge of this cake pretty seamlessly. Nat uses her blending brush to do this. That's what makes it sponge-free. You can see an example of that here. You don't have to use a blending brush, you can use a sponge, but if you like to keep your hands clean, that's a good option for you. You can also blend it out to a gold base, but it also works for other base colors like white or silver. Another technique this palette can be used for is an automatic outline. Each cake has a strip of black or dark blue on one edge, and this will serve as your automatic outline. For example, this shark was done with blue run, and you can see that the dark edge of the split cake provided just enough shading on the edge that no additional outline was needed. This palette is also perfect for adult eye designs, or if you're at a fancy party. Not all adults really want a big, bright, colorful design, so I feel like you could flip open this palette and show this to a client who is requesting an adult eye design. They could choose whatever their favorite color combination was, and they would be really happy about that. So we're just going to finish off with some swatches so that you guys can see what these cakes look like on the skin. And yes, they are absolutely stunning and elegant and unlike any other cake that's out there. If you'd like to see more about this product and other face paint products, please join us at the Just Paint community group on Facebook. We do live swatch jams every Friday, and it's also a great place to ask questions and participate in any of our contests. So I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and again, you can order this product and any other face paint product at Just Paint, and there's a link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching.